Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today in this video we are going to learn that how to tell time in French. See, whenever you are learning a new language, that it is important to learn every little thing of it. So whenever you are traveling in a French speaking country, then it is must to know about the time. Okay, that how to tell the time in French. So first of all we will learn about the vocabulary of time. Okay, so that we do not have any problem while learning. So start from time. Okay, chapter name is l'heure. Okay, so number one is time. Okay, that is l'heure. So here HEURE or means, okay, pronunciation is or. Here H is silent and we just pronounce only EURE, which is or. And we use L apostrophe because H is a vowel. Okay, H is considered as a vowel in French, so that's why we put L apostrophe here in front of vowel. So its pronunciation is l'heure, so which means time. And noon means midi. Okay, noon means midi. Now third, midnight means minuit. Okay, minuit, that is nuit means night and midnight, minuit. Okay, now fourth, and a quarter, which means a car. Okay, a car means and a quarter. Now fifth is quarter to, which means moins le quart. Okay, moins le quart, that is quarter to. And number six is and a half, which means a demi. And a half, a demi. Now number seventh, in the morning, which means du matin. Okay, du matin means in the morning. And in the afternoon means de l'après-midi. Okay, de l'après-midi, which means in the afternoon. And in the evening, I am writing here because there is no space, so that's why I am writing here. In the evening means du soir. Okay, du soir, which means in the evening. So on répète encore fois: time, l'heure, noon, midi, midnight, minuit, and a quarter, a quart, quarter to, moins le quart, and a half, a demi, in the morning, du matin, in the afternoon, de l'après-midi, and in the evening, du soir. Okay, so you have to keep in mind all this vocabulary while learning the time. Alright, so now we start our chapter, and if you want to ask from someone that what time is it, okay, and if you want to know about the time, so how do you ask the question? Question is what time is it in English, and how you do you say in French? Quelle heure est-il? It is quelle heure est-il? Okay, quelle heure est-il? So here we pronounce a and il by merging the t and I. Okay, so it's become a till. Okay, a till. So quelle heure est-il, which means what time is it? So what time is it? And to answer this question we have an expression which is il est dash heure. Okay, il est heure. So for example, if I say that it is 2 o'clock, okay, it is 2 o'clock, so how I will say il est 2 heures. Okay, il est 2 heures. So here does means 2, does means 2 in French, and here heure. So we just put s in the end of heure because the is plural, so it is 2, the is plural, so that's why we add s in the heure. So il est 2 heures, that is it is 2 o'clock. Okay, so question is quelle heure est-il, and answer is il est 2 heures. Okay, so now there are some rules while learning the time in French. Okay, so rule number 1, 3:00, that means 3 o'clock. And here same 3h00, which also means 3 o'clock. But in French there is a difference of colon. We do not use colon in French, we use h. Okay, we consider r by h in French, so we use h instead of colon in French. Now number 2, rule number 2, we do not use am and pm in French. Okay, we do not use am and pm. So instead of am, okay, we use du matin. If I said that it is 10 o'clock in the morning, so we do not say like this 10 am. Okay, we do not say am and pm in French. We would say il est 10h du matin, that means it is 10 am simply. Okay, du matin matlab in the morning. So in the morning obviously means am. So we do not use am and pm in French, and we just use these vocabulary, these expression in French to show our time. ठीक है. So am is du matin, and for pm from noon to 6 pm we use the l'après-midi. Okay, that is in the afternoon. So in the afternoon we use noon to 6 pm, and from 6 pm to until midnight, ठीक है, शाम के 6 बजे से रात तक, from 6 pm to midnight we use du soir. Okay, du soir. So ये जो दो रूल्स हैं ये आपको मतलब लर्न करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जब हम टाइम सीख रहे होते हैं. ओके, नंबर 1 इज दिस, दैट वी डू नॉट यूज कॉलन इन फ्रेंच, एंड नंबर 2 वी डू नॉट यूज am and pm in French, and we just add these vocabulary in French. Okay, like du matin for am, noon to 6 pm we add the l'après-midi, and from 6 pm until midnight we use du soir. Okay, so let's take some examples. Okay, so see some examples to understand how to tell the time in French. So this is 3:26. Okay, 3:26. So il est, how we will answer this question. Il est 3 heures, that is 3. Okay, 3 means 3 heures, and 26 in French is 26. Okay, 26. So il est 3 heures 26, that is it is 3:26. Okay, it is 3:26. So il est 3 heures 26. Now number 2, 10:20 am. Okay, here am. So il est 10 heures, these means 10. So il est 10 heures and 20. So 20. Il est 10 heures 20 du matin. So we remove am and just put du matin. Okay, to show that it is in the morning. So il est 10 heures 20 du matin. It is 10:20 in the morning. Yeah, 10:20 am. So for learning the time in French, you must know about the French numbers. Okay, that what each number is called in French. Okay, with spelling, because time is made up of numbers like 3:26, 10:20, etc. So you must know about the French numbers with spelling. Okay, so that's important to learn it. And if you don't know the French numbers, then you must know first of all, then you will learn the time. And you can watch my video about the numbers in French, and link in the description box, so you can check out from there. And if you already know that what each number called in French, and you know the French numbers, then you can continue watch this video to learn the time. ठीक है. So the next rule is 15 and 30 pass the hour. Okay, 15 after 30 after, 15 after means a car. Okay, and 30 after means a dummy. So we use these expression for 15 and 30. Okay, these expression, a car and a dummy respectively. So after means like 4:15. So 4:15, that is 4 and after 15. So 4:15, how we will write in French the time? 4:15. Il est 4 heures et quart. Okay, il est 4. So 4 means 4 and 15 means एक quart. That is this. So il est 4 heures et quart. We always put hour after the number. Okay. Il est 4 heures et quart. And you can also write il est 4 heures 15 because 15 means 15 also. So you can write also this expression il est 4 heures 15, but here 15 after, for 15 after we also use a car. Okay. Now 6:30. So il est 6 heures, il est 6 heures et 30. You can also write il est 6 heures et 30. 30 means 30. But here the expression is il est 6 heures et demi. Okay. A dummy because 30 after, for 30 after we use a dummy. So il est 6 heures et demi. Alright. Now I take another example, 11:40. Okay. So the time is 11:40. So some people say that it is 11:40 simply. But some people will say this time that it is 20 minutes quarter to 12. Okay. It is 20 minutes quarter to 12. That means कि 12 बजने में 20 मिनट हैं, यानी कि 11:40, 12 बजने में 20. It is 20 minutes quarter to 12. So how we write in French? 11:40. Il est 12 heures moins 20. Okay. So moins word is basically used to subtract the minutes. Okay. Like if I say 12 minus 20, so it is 11:40. Okay. So 11:40. So it is il est 12 heures moins 20. Okay. 12 heures moins 20. So it's become 11:40. So I hope you understand what I want to say. So yes, 11:40 is il est 12 heures moins 20. Alright. Now 9:55. So 9:55 means il est 10 heures, these means 10. So il est 10 heures moins 5. Okay, moins 5. 5 means 5. So that means it is 5 minutes quarter to 10. Okay, it is 5 minutes left quarter to 10. That is 9:55. Il est 10 heures moins 5. Okay, il est 10 heures moins 5. But you can also say 9:55 in a simple way, like it is that il est 9 heures 55. Okay, that is it is 9:55. But we just mostly say il est 10 heures moins 5, like 10 बजने में 5 मिनट बाकी हैं. ठीक है. So now we have a different expression of 45. Okay, so this is an example, 8:45. So how we say in French 8:45? Il est 9 heures moins le quart. Okay, il est 9 heures. That means 9 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी हैं. ठीक है, एक ये बोल सकते हैं. So it is 15 minutes quarter to 9. Okay, 15 minutes quarter to 9. So whenever like this, if we have a 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, then we use these type of okay. But for 15 minutes, so il est 9 heures moins le quart. That is it is 8:45 or il est 9 heures moins le quart. That is it is 15 minutes quarter to 9. Okay, 15 minutes quarter to 9. So now we do an exercise of time. So number 1, 3:17 p.m. Okay, 3:17 p.m. So il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures 17. 17 is 17. Okay, 17 means 17. But here PM. So we remove PM and add the l'après-midi. The l'après midi, which means in the afternoon. Okay, or it is showing that 3:17 p.m. Alright. Il est 3h17 de l'après-midi. That is, it is 3:17 p.m. Alright. Now, 12:15 p.m. So, il est 12h. 12 means 12. Il est 12h a car. Okay. A car, which means il est 12h a car, which means it is 12:15 p.m. And for p.m. you can write de l'après-midi. Okay, same as this. You can write here de l'après-midi. So, il est 12h a car. Now, 9:45 a.m. Okay, 9:45 a.m. So, il est 10h. Il est 10h moins le quart. Okay, moins le quart. Moins le quart du matin. Okay, du matin, which means AM. So, il est 10h moins le quart du matin. That is, it is 15 minutes quarter to 10. 9:45. It is 15 minutes quarter to 10. And for AM we use du matin. So, il est 10h moins le quart du matin. Alright. Now, 7:54 p.m. So, 7:54 p.m. Il est 8h. 8 means 8. Il est 8h moins le. No. Il est 8h moins 6. Il est 8h moins 6 du soir. Okay, because after 6 p.m. until midnight we use du soir, that is in the evening. Il est 8h moins 6 du soir. That means it is 6 minutes quarter to 8. Okay, 6 minutes left quarter to 8. So, il est 8h moins 6 and du soir for PM. After 6 p.m. we use du soir. Okay. Now, 4:30 a.m. So, il est 4. 4 means 4. So, il est 4h et demi. Demi means 30. 30 after. Okay. So, il est 4h et demi, which means is 4:30 a.m. and for AM we use du matin. So, il est 4h et demi du matin. Okay. Now, 12 a.m. So, for 12 a.m. AM means, so that means it is midnight. Okay. 12 a.m. means midnight. So, il est minuit. Okay. Il est minuit. We use this expression to show midnight. So, il est minuit, which means it is 12 a.m. Alright, or it is midnight. So, in French speaking country, there are some people who use the 24-hour clock instead of 12-hour clock. Okay. So, here if you want to say that 18 hours, okay, 18 hours. So, how would you say? Il est 18 heures. Okay, il est 18 heures, that is 18 hours. Okay, and if you want to say 23 hour 14, so il est 23 heures. 23 means 23. Il est 23 heures 14. So 14 means 14. So il est 23 heures 14. So that means 23 14. But so here you do not need to put AM or PM or du soir, de l'après-midi, because it is understandable that 23:14, that means it is 11:14 p.m. Alright, so here your time chapter is complete and you can practice it through worksheets, okay, available on Google, and you can practice it, learn it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. I will help you out obviously. And please subscribe, like and share this video, share this channel more and more. I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.